Hello everyone. I decided to splurge with my stimulus check, and by splurge, I mean put it away for later in a manner in which value is likely preserved or even gained. I bought this Canadian Platinum 1 ounce 2021 Maple Leaf coin from JM Bullion on April 9th, and it took a little over a week in order for it to arrive by USPS. And I wanted to make sure that I show you what I paid and what I pay in every single unboxing that you can see. It's a little easier to get over the doubt of whether or not you should get it if you see others doing it. I used to wonder if it's better to buy platinum or not, or if the premium's worth it, but all of that time I spent worrying, the price had been going up. I used to have my doubts where I would ask if this is the best possible deal I could get. It's easy to think nowadays that because everybody can use some extension or something in their browser, everyone thinks that they have this special life hack where they can get something for less than what it actually costs, but not this. For a platinum coin or any bar, there's usually a premium associated with it. You buy this when your time horizon is years or decades, not when it's months to 1 or 2 years. You don't have to doubt yourself if you get platinum. You're not alone when you get it. So I'm going to take out the coin and... Oh my god. This wasn't even in the plastic flip that they said it would come in. I'm really shocked, and look at that. JM Bullion, they messed up. They messed up big. You could look at this coin, this platinum coin, this beautiful coin. They screwed it up. It has these little shiny nicks and scratches on it. It's not terrible, but it should not come out of the box looking like this. That's the whole point. You want to see something new. That's why you might like, share, and subscribe and leave a comment down below, is because I might show you something new if you do. You want to see what's going to be new every week, and when you see a new coin, it's supposed to look new. It's not supposed to look worn. But regardless, I want to hear from you, the viewer, because I value what you have to say. And, you know, if you like, just tell me whether or not you think JM Bullion did a good job in packing this. But full transparency, I wanted to show you what I saw as I saw it, and I think this is a little messed up. This is the first time that it's happened to me, but maybe I'm going to be a little bit hesitant about buying something like this. Maybe I'll ask for special shipping. I don't know. But in any case, that's why I do the unboxing. You share the experience seeing this coin for the first time, just like I do. And even though this didn't go exactly the way that I wanted, I'm not going to let it ruin me and my coins for the future. I'm still going to put this away and put it for safekeeping. I'm still going to put it in a protective coin capsule, and I'm still going to take care of this as if I value it, because it does have value. It's funny that when I was younger, I might have spent money on rum and cigarettes. I didn't think that was so bad at the time because I liked rum, and I could share that with others and have a great time. The cigarettes were important so that I don't pass out after drinking a lot of rum. I get a different kind of fix now. I used to play video games like The Legend of Zelda and Grand Theft Auto, and one thing you always seem to want more of is money. I try to think of getting money like being in a video game. You can get some extra cash in a Zelda game, or if you need it, you could just fight some creatures in the forest, but that takes a long time. It's difficult to relate to real life because animals don't actually poop money when you end them, and although you can find money in the streets, it's a lot more work than the way you would get it in the Zelda game. I've tried all sorts of stuff like collecting bottles and redeeming them, and while it is possible to get money that way, it actually takes a really long time to sort through them after you find them and then redeem them at the store. If that works for you, then you do you, but the time for me is not worth it. They say that the early bird gets the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Platinum is a lot like getting both the worm and the cheese. If you get it now, you're still early in the game. And if you sell at the right time in the future, then you may be able to buy someone else's cheese when the fat cats become mice and they need to liquidate their cheese for cash. I hope this was informative. Please be sure to check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.